Hello friends, today we will read about ABGs. ABG stands for arterial blood gas. An arterial blood gas analysis is a blood test taken from an artery that measures the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide that is found in blood. Next, purpose: respiratory status, metabolic status, acid-base balance. Next, sites of extraction: radial artery, brachial artery, femoral artery, and other is dorsal pedis, which is not written in this picture. Complications: excessive bleeding, bruising at the puncture site, circulation impairment. Next, components: pH, measurement of alkalinity based on the presence of hydrogen ions, saturation of oxygen, measurement of arterial oxygen saturation, bicarbonate HCO3, the calculated amount of bicarbonate in the bloodstream. Base excess indicates the amount of oxygen in sufficient level of bicarb system. Next, normal values: pH 7.35 to 7.45, PaCO2 35 to 45, PaO2 80 to 100, HCO3 22 to 26, saturation of oxygen more than 95%, base excess -2 +2. Thanks for seeing my video. Nursing topics.